Hello to everybody. My name is Sardinas. I'm actually the consultant of the Skyway English group, and today I actually want to share with you guys the amazing opportunity. But before I will tell you something, I'm actually coming this opportunity not long time ago, but I see the future and I would like to could share with you because this opportunity is something amazing for you, for each person. And if you want to find me, you can find me in the Facebook. My name is Sardinas, and my number, you can add it me in the WhatsApp and text me anytime. Is it 077 451 66592? I will repeat it. 077 451 66952. And actually today I have a so amazing training from Harry Sardinas. I will apologize, it's the first time I see this person, but that is so amazing because today I learned a lot and I want to be a speaker, I want to be a big speaker, and you guys will hear about me from many countries. And please come and welcome. And if you need the same learn, you know who actually they come and invite it. Trust me, you're not gonna lose this opportunity. Thank you so much. See you later.